Hey, this is Mitch with Red River Ford in Cabot. We're living in a different time, a different era where you see things all over social media. And right now there's things that some people are concerned about and others aren't. But during this time, we want to let you know that Red River Ford here in Cabot, we're doing everything we can to make sure we take care of our employees and our customers at the same time. So our employees are constantly going behind each other and our other customers with disinfectant wipes and Lysol to make sure the presence of germs are non-existent. But during this time, us and Ford have combined together to come up with some great incentives to help you get through the next couple of months. We have 0% for 84 months. And if you're worried about your payment, we have options where we can make 6 months worth of payments for you to get through these times. That means no payment through the entire summer. Check out our website at cabotford.com. You'll notice that we have the best online buying experience around. And if you need to pick up the phone, you can always call us. Our number's on the website too. We will deliver the car to you. That way you don't even have to come into the store. And if you're looking for a great service option, we'll come pick up your car, bring it to our place, and service it, and then bring it back to your house. Again, we're doing everything we can to make your buying experience and your service experience as easy as possible during this time. Check us out at cabotford.com.